Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today 19th August 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So today means on 19th August in 2004 the world's largest search engine Google has launched its IPO for the first time. The price of one share was capped at $85. Google sold 25 million shares. Through this, Google managed to raise about rupees 142 billion in today's situation. So, this is the history of the day. Now, let's see the current affairs part. So, the first question is which country chaired the fourth meeting of BRICS anti drug working group recently? हाल ही में किस देश ने ब्रिक्स एंटी ड्रग वर्किंग ग्रुप की चौथी बैठक की अध्यक्षता किस देश ने की है? एंड द आंसर इज रशिया. एंड लेट मी टेल यू द सेशन विच was held in the video conferencing was attended by representatives from Brazil, Russia, China, South Africa and India, and the Director General of Narcotics Control Bureau Rakesh Asthana led the Indian delegation attending the meeting. Now moving toward the second question, Atal Tunnel, in which mountain range is the tunnel being built? अटल सुरंग, यह सुरंग किस पर्वत श्रृंखला में बनाई जा रही है? एंड द आंसर इज इन पीर पंजल रेंज. एंड द हिमाचल प्रदेश चीफ मिनिस्टर जयराम ठाकुर said that Atal Tunnel in Rohtang would be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in late September this year, and this tunnel will be the world's longest above 300-meter altitude and will reduce the distance between Manali and Leh to 46 km. Now the third question is which state e-government has recently launched the central e-commerce platform called Yellow Chain? हाल ही में किस राज्य सरकार ने केंद्रीय ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म येलो चेन लॉन्च किया है? गाइस, इफ यू नो द आंसर्स प्लीज डू टेल इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड द आंसर इज नागालैंड. Yellow Chain is a centralized e-commerce platform to promote local business and entrepreneurship in the state. The Yellow Chain will act as an integrated platform for the people of the state where any vendor, service provider, individual group can register themselves and upload their products, trade, scale services so that the citizens can reach to their service. Now let's see the fourth question. So, who got the first place in Atal ranking of the Institute of Innovation Achievement 2020 in Higher Studies Education Institution? उच्च शिक्षा संस्थान में इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इनोवेशन अचीवमेंट 2020 की अटल रैंकिंग में प्रथम स्थान किसका है? एंड द आंसर इज IIT मद्रास. In the Atal ranking, the Institute of Innovation Achievement 2020, the Women's Higher Education Institute ranked first in the category at the Avansi Glam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women. Now let's see the fifth question and the last. So which country has for the first time appointed 10 women to serve in Masjid ul Haram and Masjid Nabawi? किस देश ने पहली बार मस्जिद उल हराम और मस्जिद नवाबी में सेवा के लिए 10 महिला नियुक्त की हैं? एंड द आंसर इज इन सऊदी अरेबिया. In Saudi Arabia, for the first time, hired 10 women to serve in the Masjid al Haram and Masjid Nabawi. The Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, besides giving other rights to women, is also trying to employ them. Now, let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So, the first question was, what will be the name of Manduwaha station which has been recently changed? So, the new name will be Banaras. Now let's see the second question. So who won the Spanish Grand Prix Formula 1 race? So the answer is Lewis Hamilton has won this race. Now let me give you the two questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So let's see. So the first question is which city panchayat has got the first place in nationwide cleanliness survey 2020? And the second question is which country together formed East Med Guess Forum? So guys, these are the two questions which you have to answer in the comment section if you know. Otherwise, in the tomorrow's video or the next video, I'm going to tell the answers of these questions. Till then, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't miss to hit the bell icon.